taken transaction charges and STT into a consideration. That's what he's trying to say.
Okay, no, I thought he's talking about this spread ratio.
No. Spread.
The profit what you will get.
Out of this
Consider cost involved.
6375, what will be the amount for the turnover charges and STT and all that?
Okay, I got your point.
What's going to be the exchange charges? 0.
Exchange charges initially 0.
No,
yes.
I mean, I'm practically asking, what would be the charge?
We would propose a initially anil charge.
STT has continued to be a
NSE will give us rebate.
Possibly NSE wants to again get into the competition books. The CCI.
That's a different matter. Let's not discuss that.
Why? I just want to know why so much
this
discrimination between the Nifty and this contract that you're introducing. Nifty, one tick size that don't make money, where we are trading so much. How are you so sure that we're going to trade so much? We're going to have so much volumes on this contract size that you're going to introduce, and yet you're making it beneficial with one tick size making me money, covering my NSE transaction charges, my STT, and my other stamp duties and all that. And in spite of that, you're giving a rebate on turnover.
It's a new product, sir. We have to ensure that the product succeeds.
But then this is the kind of feedback that you should take from members, that what kind of difficulties we are facing.
I'm sure CRM is taking your feedback.
This is something which I found is not, it's not fair to existing trading that is going on.
See, existing trading is going on great.
Yeah, I mean it's great. Obviously, it's great.
And this is a new product. We have taken feedback while designing the product from members.
No, but then what happens to Hang Seng Bees? The same thing was the case in Hang Seng Bees. It was a product, it was an international index that was being introduced. But if you've seen over the past, since whenever it's launched, there's no trading taking place. What is the point of introducing a product when there's no trading taking place?
Sir, unless you introduce a product, you are not going to know whether it is going to trade or not. And it is up to you members to make a product successful. As an exchange, what we would like to do is take your feedback, design a good product, update you with whatever information or facilities we can provide, and then give the product into your hands. As members of NSE, it is your duty to see that the product succeeds.
This was a long pending demand to me that you kindly revert the Nifty tick size to at least one minimum where we can make money.
I'm sure your feedback would have been taken by the
futures
team.
Forex was introduced. Forex was introduced. There the tick size is more than what you can.
I am sure if you have given your feedback, it would have been taken up and it would be under consideration. I think here we should discuss this product.
Yeah, okay. Good.
Sir, as a trader, if I am taking an overnight position, am I not exposed to international timing risk? I mean, because I'll be trading from 9 to 5. Now, the movement in Dow Jones will be in the evening. So the next day I'll be exposed to that risk. I mean, I could not hedge my position. You understand my point?
Yes.
Because I think you will be taking the live feeds from the value, right?
Yes.
So I am, as a trader, if I take overnight position, I am exposed because evening contract is traded 23 hours, whereas I am getting only just 6 hours for trading. So am I not exposed to that risk?
No, sir, I believe even today, if you are trading Nifty and some event takes place in US after the market closes, you are open to risk. So how is it different?
Event is different.
No, but here we have different tools to hedge our open positions, isn't it?
I mean,
We have options. We don't have options on these products, do we?
I am going to talk about options also.
But are you launching them simultaneously?
Yes, I am. I'll talk about it.
And one more thing about the settlement. You said that we will shut down at 5 o'clock. They will shut down at 7:30 on the last Friday, on the third Friday. When is the settlement, the final settlement of that particular quarter or that particular contract going to take place? On the next Monday?
Yes, the Monday.
On the next Monday. So that means the pains and payouts will be effective next Monday.
There is one more question.
Because the SOQ will be available to us only late in the evening.
Yeah, that's what. That's what my point was. So that means whatever the members have to pay in or pay out, the payments and payouts will take on the Saturday or Monday?
Monday.
Monday. Okay, not on the Saturday.
Actually, Friday, last Friday of settlement, there should be an extended trading time.
Trading session, I mean. 7:30 till
Yes.
7:30.
Up to their trading time.
Yes.
To their trading time.
We'll take that
There is
feedback.
a less chance of
We'll consider that. feedback.
SEBI doesn't allow beyond 5. 9 to 5 is the time window.
That is a SEBI mandate.
That is SEBI.
There was a circular.
They never change the SEBI
Is
mandate.
there any mechanism or some way wherein, see, the market opens there at 8 o'clock, right?
Right.
So by the time we close, they are open. Before we close, can we get the opening prices of their 500 stocks, wherein we can devise a mechanism where we can derive at the closing price of that particular day, because the SOQ is derived based on the opening price of those
Opening prices.
stocks, right?
Yes.
So if that is displayed to us, we can, if a formula is given to us, we can arrive on the SOQ or the settlement price on that day itself before 5 o'clock.
No, because the market will open only after our market has closed.
Acha, okay.
Their market for SOQ calculation will open after 7:30 PM India time.
one more thing.
Yeah.
What can be the weightage of Dow 30 in S&P 500?
Weightage of Dow 30. You mean the 30 stocks?
Yeah, 30 stocks.
I believe the top 10 stocks constitute some 18%. I'm not very sure. I'll get back on that. You want the Dow 30 stocks weightage in S&P 500.
Yes.
I'll get back. I'll not take this example. I was going to talk about options. We are planning to launch options on S&P 500. We have already applied to SEBI and we are waiting approval from SEBI. These contracts will be monthly contracts, and to align those option contracts with our futures, we will introduce monthly future contracts on S&P 500. The SOQ, the trading time, everything will be the same for options. Once we get this permission, we plan to launch both these contracts simultaneously.
Monthly basis.
Monthly basis.
Then the even future contract would be monthly.
Yes. Yes. So you can trade monthly, you can roll over to the quarterly contract. That won't be a problem.
So both monthly and quarterly contract would be available.
Yes.
Launch with options, then it might.
How will the monthly contract be closed out?
SOQ.
SOQ at best.
SOQ is computed on a daily basis at CME. It is not just on the settlement day.
Yes.
It is computed every day and it is disseminated every day.
Is that the mark-to-market figure also?
No, that's not the mark-to-market rate.
No. So in India, what would be the
We will take the last half an hour period. Mark-to-market is only, it's just a settlement, so it doesn't matter.
So initially you will have 4 quarterly contracts or only 1 quarterly contract?
We will have,
4 quarterly.
we will decide on how many quarterly contracts we want. We have planned 4,
Okay.
and based on the inputs received for options, we will decide how many monthly contracts are to be offered.
So unless options are not introduced, you are not going to launch this product at all
We plan to introduce both together.
together. By how long? Any idea?
We are waiting for SEBI approval.
Around 2 months?
As I told you, we have applied to SEBI, so I cannot put a time for when SEBI will give the approval.
You are going to use which model,
Sorry,
which model for the calculator?
for
Option calculator, which model you are going to use?
option calculator on the trading system.
Yeah.
That is a
Typically black and Scholes.
Black and Scholes.
Black and Scholes. And the options will be European options. We have seen worldwide it is the European options that is on the underlying index which are most popular. So we will have options on the underlying which are European set.
And again, this will be the third Friday of the every month.
Yes, third Friday. Because options at CBOE expire on the third Friday. So again it will align with the CBOE contract.
Same way, SOQ
Yes.
of the Friday.
Any questions?
So regular market start at 3:30. This segment will continue till 5.
This product will continue till 5 because the segment is the same, existing derivative, equity derivatives.
And it will have pre-opening and all that, or no?
Derivatives start at 9:15, right?
Okay, sorry, there.
So 9:15 to 5. The other derivative products will stop trading at their normal trading time of 3:30.
This is a series of programs which we have initiated. This is the starting point where even today we got few feedback, which we perhaps the feedback which we have till 7:30 will discuss internally, though SEBI stipulates it till 5 o'clock. But we are always, even they are open to feedback from us, what our people are asking. I'm sure I'll keep, if for the benefit of the market, for the liquidity in the product, if it helps it, why not? So this is only the first set of series which we are starting. We are also going to bring in things at different level. We will come back to you, our team will come back to you and ask for more feedback. I'm sure once you go back, you will have few more questions. Please feel free to get back to us so that when we launch, we get a sense that we are not going to launch this tomorrow. We have a window of few days or maybe weeks where whatever minute tuning or tweaking is to be done, we have an opportunity to do that. So please feel free to call back and give us your feedback so that you can be sure that this product takes on, because more products, more successful products, more business for us, more opportunities for our clients. So with this, I thank you all for sharing your evening with us. I'm sure many more products are in line and we'll have more opportunities to discuss and sort of take things forward.
In options, what will it excel? In options, what will it excel? Same.
No, we have to decide.
Quite zero bracket.
Smaller tick size will be better.
And not to sort of forget, we are also at the threshold of launching a new product. I'm sure all of you are aware. Fourth, we are launching 91-day T-bill future.
Right.
So we hope all of you participate and make this another success story, just like currency. When I remember this type of sessions when we had for currency, lot of apprehensions, doubts or thoughts were there whether this will really take off or not. And hats off to all of you. Today you have made it possible. Today it's one of the, I need not use words. So please extend your support and make all products successful. We request you to join us for Mahiti. Thanks a lot.
Any internal estimates about what kind of turnover you expect to generate?
Before he answers that, was anyone sure how much currency volumes would have been looking at 2 years? I don't think anyone was sure.
No, after the success of currency, you must have some guess estimates.
The underlyings are totally different. Perhaps the participants would be different. Currency was a little more complex product. What we believe that this product is not that complex because Dow Jones and S&P indices, though no one is trading, but everyone is trading. So understanding is much more. It will be much more easier for us for convincing our clients to come on to this product compared to currency. We will have the same success. My personal guess is the time which we have taken in currency to see the type of volumes, we will have much lesser time to develop this market. So with that hope, we are.
No, see here the difference is in currency there is no STD. Here there is an STD. See STD, I don't know, somehow the issue should have been taken up strongly by the exchange with
Sir, I think we have had.
No, see, I tell you when there is no developed market, you will find STD on any derivative product.
At
You
least
tell me one market where there is STT on derivatives.
Sir, we are
Second thing, the derivatives, the STT was introduced to give benefit for long-term, short-term gain offset, to offset long-term, short-term gain benefit. Here everything is taxed as a business income. So there is double taxation and there is no logic on derivative to be taxed.
So this is not the first time, let me tell you, this is not the first time this feedback is coming. Whenever we meet, whenever any of you meet
whenever you want to launch new product, you will come across this kind of difficulty. Currency has developed because there is no STT. Here, again, there is an STT. And the liquidity, who will provide liquidity to the market?
Why option has so much value? Because there is no STT. I mean, STT is very less in optional trading. That's why it's increasing the rate.
There is a big difference if there is STT or there is no STT. The success of the product will depend broadly on this one.
So we have to take it on a stride, but I can assure you, because I know and I have seen many of you talking to the senior officials of the exchange about STT at different forums, and I'm also sure you are well aware that the exchange have also taken up this thing at various level, at various forums, at the highest possible level. So the efforts are on.
So here I would like to tell you, for commodity exchanges, somehow they have managed with CPT. CPT has never come. And their product is not different from our product.
Same derivative.
If you are trading in crude, that's not an agri commodity. No pharma is affected by crude. That is also cash settled, that is also speculative.
So let's hope, because if it happens, we have seen the fruits. Currency is the best example. If it happens, yes, we all are going to get benefit. So with that hope, let's see. We will all join.